Sure. I saw a post from this other gentleman. I think his name is Robert, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I know the guy. That I can't respond to that guy. Personal reasons, there's no way I can argue with that guy. Yes, he's telling the truth. Global was paid. He's telling the truth. Even the damages were paid. That's true. But I'm not here for that, you know. I was aware that this day will come. Like second week, maybe on the show, I decided to love myself and take a decision, you know. I think it was just after 2 weeks spending time with the cast. You know the cast, right? You know her. I won't mention the name right now. I realized that I need to make a choice. I need to create boundaries. And I stood up and I went straight and update the mother of my kids. Create boundaries. Tell her how I feel about that cast. No, I did. I told her how I feel about Nelisa. Let me say it. I told her how I feel about Nelisa. And in that way, I was creating boundaries. I was choosing myself. You know, I had to choose myself. I had to be selfish. I think I really have a soft spot for the mother of my kids, where like I didn't even choose myself for many years, you know. And after saying whatever that I said, creating boundaries, tell her how I feel about Nellis and everything, you know. Because first and second week, yes, I was talking to my ex. That's true. I was talking to her, you know. But here's the catch. After telling her whatever that I told her, I was given two options. Whether I leave whatever that I'm doing on the show, or I will be exposed, you know. I had to sit for minutes, nyana, thinking about that. That was big, because I'm going to be embarrassed on social media and on national TV and whatsoever, because I was told that you'll be exposed, bro. You'll be exposed big time, you know. And then I had to make a choice, you know. And I took a decision to say, you know what, whether you go to the show, you are right to production and tell whatsoever, there's no way I'll lose this person. There's no way. I think previously I lost good people, but this one, I don't know, I'm getting the strength and the courage to say I'm risking everything for her. And I have to take that decision and stand by it. Even today, I'm still sticking to my decision. People can expose me the way they want, share pictures, whatsoever, go everywhere. I know this is the right person that I've been waiting for the rest of my life. And I'm not going to change the decision unless if Fiona should change, you know. But I'm not saying that I'll recommit with her or whatsoever. I don't know. You must keep on watching the show. But I was aware that this day will come where I'll be exposed everywhere. But I didn't mind, because of I can be exposed wherever. You guys will talk on social media and whatsoever and say whatever that you want to say. But if I'm happy with this person, I rather risk everything, reputation, whatsoever, be called all sort of names. But I'm dying for this one. I'm risking everything for this person. And even today, I'm saying I'm still going to risk everything for this person.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So a lot has been happening since the last episode of Married at First Sight, It looks like the baby mama situation when it comes to Themba and Nelisa is not going away. Remember, you guys, when Themba and Nelisa got married, Themba had told the story of how he has kids with this woman who is struggling to let the relationship go. He also said that from his side that he might have done some things to sort of mislead this woman. One of those things that he mentioned was the fact that they had gone on couple trips or family trips with just him, the baby mama, and the kids. And that maybe that might have created an expectation from the baby mama that they are still going to look towards the future. At some point, you guys, the baby mama had contacted production to tell them that this is her man, okay, and he's not supposed to be part of the show. And you guys, but Utemba said that he had spoken to the baby mama. The only reason the baby mama did that is because she wanted to destroy his relationship with Nelisa. Okay. And then at some point they had a conversation, which by the way, part of it we were able to hear where she said she was going to back off. Listen, I'm going to back off. If that's what you want to do, you want to marry this woman, it's not okay, but I guess it's okay. What can I do? Okay. She said, listen, I'm not going to call production anymore, but one thing for sure, this woman will see how you are. Okay. That was her comment. Now, it is coming out, you guys, that Utemba had paid Lobolo for this woman. There are pictures and everything. This guy here says that Sponono, the baby mama, is her aunt, and that her aunt had been Loboloed by Themba. Okay, listen, you guys. I don't know because most of the time I will be the first one out here saying, listen, Themba is a bad guy. Okay, Nelisa needs to get away. But for some reason, I can't bring myself to do that with this case. So I'm just sitting and watching because I'm trying to see, is Themba a good guy? Okay, I know he's not perfect, and I feel like he might have lied. No, I'm wrong. He lied. Okay. He omitted a lot of truths. I think that he should have disclosed, no matter what the situation is with the baby mama, if the Lobola was paid, he should have disclosed that Ilobola was paid. And also when the pictures are being shared, you can see that it's not recent pictures. So there are possibilities that Lobola had been paid, but they had broken up. But they spent a lot of time together because they had kids and they did not have boundaries. Most of the time when somebody tells a story like that, I will be like, listen, it's a lie. Okay, it's a scheme that Todd set up. Okay, but I can't bring myself to say this about this couple. Maybe I just want them to work so much. Okay, so the beginning of this video was Themba really responding to the video that was posted by this guy who says that her aunt is Sponono and he was there when Lobola was paid. Okay, Themba is not denying that the Lobola was paid, but he hadn't disclosed that to Nelisa or to production. So we did not know that Utemba had been married before. Okay. Listen, you guys, I'm still hoping that for Nelisa's sake that Themba is a good guy. I do feel like Themba does like and love Nelisa, but I do think that there are things that he did not reveal as far as Sponono is concerned. And also, I do look forward to that scene. I definitely look forward to that scene when where she's going to come and speak to production and also Nelisa about what's going on with her and Themba, you guys, because I really do want to judge for myself. We could see, am I believing Sponono's story or am I believing Themba's story? I do feel like a lot of the things that she's going to be saying, you guys, probably it's going to be true. Now, I don't know. Okay. I don't know because I kind of feel like even for her to go to the show, I'm questioning what the goal is really. Okay, is it just to expose Utem and then she can move on with her life? Because why would you want this guy back who left you at home if you married, okay, or engaged, or he's paid lobola for you? If he left you at home to go and look for somebody, went and approached the experts to say, I am looking for a wife, yet he has you as his wife. What does that mean for your relationship? What does that mean for you? Okay, listen, if I was a Sponono, I'm going to no show. Okay, I'm not going to embarrass myself on Married at First Sight. I ain't doing it. Okay, but you guys, sometimes when you are done wrong, you can do crazy things. So I guess what I'm trying to say, guys, is that I just want to wait for that scene and I want to listen to what Sponono has to say to judge Uguti. Is this a crazy woman? Okay, is this a woman who cannot, get over a guy? You know, Temba at the beginning of this video is very, very convincing in saying, listen, I might have been speaking to her in the first 2 weeks, but I really do like Nelisa now. So it kind of feels like when he went on Married at First Sight, he wasn't fully there. And then when he met Nelisa, that's when he made a decision. This is the right person for me. I want to fully commit. And so I'm going to move on with the experiment. Listen, you guys. I'm willing to be wrong at this point about temper. I am willing to be wrong. But for now, I am just not convinced. There's something about this couple that makes me feel like there is something genuine in their relationship, okay? And I have liked how Unelisa have given it all to try and make sure that the relationship worked. And also I like that Temba did that. But I don't like the fact that he omitted very, very important and significant information when it came to his past relationships, okay? Now, here's the thing. Sponono. Sponono. Okay. Usponono, uyabona noma ngabe this relationship kaThemba doesn't work out. Girl, like, get it together. Okay, get it together. If this man really did what you are trying to convince us that he did, it's not a man to fight for, honey. Okay? Don't lift your finger. Don't even do it, okay? Unless you are overweight and you are just trying to exercise and lose some weight or something. But don't lift a finger for this guy. If Temba is who this guy here is saying he is, if Temba is who Sponono says that he is, then Temba is not the guy to fight for. Temba is not the guy to go to Married at First Sight to expose so that you can get it back. Temba is not that guy. He is not a guy to fight for. Okay, so if really Sponono is if really Sponono believes Uti she was married to Utemba when Temba went to Married at First Sight, then what is she doing on Married at First Sight? Because this is not a guy to fight for. Okay. Now, for Nelisa's sake, you guys, I am hoping that everything would be cleared out and then she would be comfortable enough to move on with the relationship. But I do feel like she should take the opportunity when Sponono comes on the show to ask questions. I think that she deserves that, just ask questions so that she can judge for herself if this is someone that she wants to move on with. I'm still hopeful, you guys. I'm still hopeful, but I'm looking forward to that scene kaSponono just to see ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngoThemba. Is Themba a good guy or not? Listen, you guys. The way that I think about this show sometimes, did I not have a dream the other day? I'm sleeping, I'm having a dream that one of my friends is telling me that they are dating Utep. Yes. Did I not? I was like, my friend, la. This guy, and Utepo was there. Hey, guys, Tepo was there in my dream. I was like, what do you mean you are dating Tepo? Tepo is not a good guy. My friend is like, no, my friend, buddy, I'm like, listen, okay, listen. Ngamhlalisa phansi ngathi lalela, this guy is not a. I was watching a show, this guy was on a show, he is a bad guy. He's like, Ngempela, my friend, it's Ngempela. I was like, why am I dreaming about Tsepo out of all of the people? Did I not laugh when I woke up? Anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about this situation in the comments section. Would you go and fight for your man on national TV? But let me think about it, okay? If one day I turn on the TV and I see my husband looking for a wife, he'll be coming home and finding the divorce papers there by the counter, honey, okay? You guys will not be getting that sin from me. You will not be getting that sin from me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegana, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Good day, guys. Nakalibiso ke Robert Nhlapo from the Free State. So guys, ke tlo comment ka ntwenye ya marriage at first sight, because ke bone on the social media people are commenting ka this between Themba and the baby mama, or the baby mama with that drama. Firstly, I wanna say baby mama ya Themba ke my aunt. That's all. So cho moi already my mom le baby mama ya Themba ke bana ba motho. Ke tlo comment because of ke bone some hateful comments wabo ku social media, but where the way Spono ale bita ka teng, Spono ale asai rating, the way Spono a reactang ka teng wa bona. So na guys ke batla go tshela video motho tla be le mo blame mo tla me blame Themba, because ke yena ntse ntwena from the start, ke yena e qadile ntwe kaofela. And I am failing to understand the production dumella jwa motho a nyetseng a emo, because I feel like platform yo ke ya batho be le goreng ba single ba batla marriage. So now Themba will show athetsa everybody or he's single and shit like that, of which he was lying, cause no jinana o nyetse the man o ntshitse malobola. The man o nyetse a nyalla kae Bethlehem, but ba habo ba tlile all the way from Limpopo to Joburg, batla mo Bethlehem ba tlontsha malobola. I was there. I was the one who was counting the malobola. Kaofela tjhelete in the bala ke nna. So now ha batho ba tlo bua as if Spono no kena the bad person. Yes, Spono is not the bad person. Spono is a very innocent person, because ka November ntho ya tlo qala Spono na le mo hae khena le yena kaofela le bana ba hae ba ithu. What's what? So now this guy ona le ka tsetsa hore a emole a lo bua maka ka hore Spono ke mthaso ke shebeletse kaofela show yo, everything Themba e buang ke maka. The man is a liar. And ntho ke ratang ko hore everybody batho ba e bona hore Themba is a liar. That's all. Kaofela, even here in Free State, we know him. He's a liar. So I'm gonna upload pictures to conclusions hore na Diamani ona tlile ya tlo patala lobola. That's all. I tlo patala damage ya bana ba two, a boy and a girl. That's all. So guys, before the charge, before the reset comment is a bad, I guess I blame you because I'm not a for call. So that's why I channel hore no ka Sunday who look an episode me lo renke Spono to feature on the production. Nthongwe lo ngwatle e bua tle be le fara, because Themba o tlila to patala lobola. Themba is a married man. Aska tlo thetsa, and I'm taking mutwela mohloko ke Annalisa because ha tsebe for call. At all. So Themba I feel like o tlo ba lusa ba le two, unless otherwise what's all. But he's a liar, that guy. A whole grown man at least until so analabana by two for ba famous ka DJ, only to find out that man was Panamos o sharp on a lintlu dintshang hape. You wanna be famous, so now who be famous at o senior relationship ya hao le motho hao wa sa ba clear the first place, wa sa ba clear. Okay, sharp. If ever end that relationship, end the relationship. Not way behind her back with into the snacks is in an hacket auto painting a Spono game tablet. Spono some tablet. You know that as well. and le batho ke batla ba bone go TikTok, every platform ba bone okay yona how much sharp I wish you ka bona how should we get a create that one go because we know you o scare me future ma next time I know ka ba scare so that's all. I thought you different. I thought you sharp. I want to find out how sharp. That's all. So no it's about to fight cat and no cheat. Or is analysis starter or it's into anti start. Fage. Guys, Kopale Askal fully and there man. Now I'm just commenting J because of Kiatsaba to sense about take about some basin. So before that take and about all that trace I feel all the so Diamond Siena. I paint him was Siena.